Introducing Skyrider electric platform trucks, your ultimate solution for heavy-duty material transportation, offering zero emissions and maximum efficiency. We offer three powerful variants to suit different load requirements. That is Optimus T20, Optimus T30, and the last one is Optimus T40. With a payload capacity ranging from 2000 kg to 4000 kilograms. The Optimus series is your reliable companion for hauling the heaviest of loads with ease. Each vehicle is powered by deep discharge lead-acid batteries, paired with efficient motors and smart controllers. Ensuring 6 to 8 hours of continuous operation without breaking a sweat. A wide and spacious platform, along with openable side flaps, makes loading and unloading faster and more convenient than ever. Whether you are operating in factories, warehouse, or industrial zones, Skyrider platform trucks are built to deliver strength, stability, and sustainability. For more details and bookings, contact us today.